hoop exercise routines just for you. So go grab that hoop and let's get straight into it. Okay, march on the spot. Side lunge, we go lunge. 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6. Are we ready to run on the spot? Elbows to knee, here we go. 8, 7, 6, and 5. We go 4, 3. Change sides, and 8, 7. It's quite quick this, guys, so keep up. That's it. Woo! Okay, on your waist. Give it a spin. March it on the spot. Let's go. We go 10, 2, and 3. One more time. We go 10, 2. Okay, here comes up. Side lunge. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 8 more. We go 8, 7. That's it. Push out your pad. There we go. Awesome. Okay, hip on your waist. Let's hold it here, take a few breaths. Oh, wow, I'm feeling like, I don't know, I'm feeling really good already. Let's go. Let's go. Here we go. 8, and 7, 6, 5, and 4, 3. Change it sides. Here we go. That's it. You've got this, guys. Awesome. On your waist, here we go. Let's give it a march. And look back to the spot. This is what it looks like from the side. Let's go. We go 2. And again, we go 2. That's it. Hold it here. That's it. Nice and tall. Can you go on your tiptoes? Woo! I'm going for a balance this time. Here we go. Woo! Change sides. That's it. Woo! Yeah, nice one, guys. I love that. That was your first workout. I hope you enjoyed it. That was really quick paced. I'm definitely feeling it now, but hopefully it's got you nice and warmed up, ready for the next hoop dance exercise routine. Okay, so let me go and pop the song on and get yourselves ready. Have a sip of water if you need it. Okay, guys, here we go. Here we go. Squat, up, and down. That's it. Let's squat. Hoop comes down, and then we head. Let's go faster. Here we go. Squat, squat. That's it. Always better when we go fast, I like that. Remember to keep your form. That's it. We go. On your waist. That's it. Okay, let's raise those arms. Feet together. You work out a bit harder when you're doing this. Let's turn. 2 and 3. Let's march. There we go. We're going to do a grapevine and grapevine. That's it, and grapevine. Remember, if you're in a small room, be careful. That's me. And grapevine. Or side step. It's up to you. And side. And back. Let's take that hoop up and squat. And squat. 2, 3, and 4. Oh yes. Work that butt. Keep it going. And 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2. Let's pop it on our waist. Here we go. That's it. Standing nice and tall. Feet together. Here we go. Arms down. Let's have a little turn. There we go. And again. Try not to get too dizzy. March in. Woo! Are we ready for some more grapevines? Here we go. And grapevine. Let's cut and grapevine. Let's cut and grapevine. Mine's like the tiniest grapevine. I'm going to side step. And side step. Side step. And back. And back. We side step. And side step. And back. Hold it here. And hold. Beautiful, guys. That was awesome. I love that. Okay, so that was our second routine. I hope you enjoyed it. Get ready for workout number 3. Here we go. Okay, guys, this is a bit Euro pop, but let's just do it anyway. March on the spot. Squats. Here we go. We go squat, stretch, and squat, stretch. This is fast. Well, you got it. Here we go. So cheesy, by the way. There we go. I like the sax in it. Keep going. One, stretch. Let's work that routine. There we go. Okay, we go knee, 2, 3, and change. We go knee, 2, 3. Hold it here on your waist. Let's march. Woo! Okay, break back to the side. Here we go. Let's clap and side. And clap and side. And clap. Here we go. Side. And clap. And clap. And side. Hold it here. Okay, let's twist. Twist. Oh yes, feel that. Side bend. How good does that feel? Woo! Love it. Are we ready for knee to elbow? 4, 3, 2, and change. We go 4, 3, and change. We go 2, 2, and 2, 2, and 1, 1. Grapevine, here we go. Grapevine. And back. Yes. Lovely style. And back. And back. Yes, and back. Hold it here. And toe tap. Toe tap. Toe tap. Toe tap. Toe tap. Okay, do you think we can do side tap? Let's try it. Side tap. Side tap. Side tap. And side tap. And side tap. Side tap. Let's mix them up. Here we go. Front, front, side, side, and front, front, and side, side. Yeah, let's give it a spin. Woo! Loving that, guys. Awesome. Nearly tripped over my hip there, but anyway, awesome. That was so good. I hope you enjoyed that one, guys, as well. My heart is pounding, so I definitely know that I'm working out and I'm getting a really good cardio workout in. Okay, let's go for another song. Here we go. Okay, let's start in the squat position. Here we go. We're going to twist. Center and side. Center. Keep those hips forwards. There we go. Twisting that upper body. Let's go. Side lunge. 2, 3, and 4. And side lunge. That's it. Keep going. That's it. Okay, hold it here. We're going to go up. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Changing sides. We go 8, 7, and 6, 5, and 4, 3. Are we ready? Waist sweeping. Here we go. Let's walk. That was fast. Testing you guys. That's it. And back. Ooh, it's definitely a fast one. I'm struggling here. Keep going. Hold it here. And tap. 2, and 3, 4, and 5, 6, 8 more. We go 8, 7, and 6, 5, and 4, 3. Hoop comes up. Back into that squat. Let's twist. We go. Twist. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 4 more. 3. Knee raises and 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3. Changing side. 8, 7, 6, 5, and 4, 3. On your waist. Here we go. Let's walk. And back. Here we go. And back. Let's go. And back. One more time. Okay, let's hold it here. Hold. That's it. Let's turn. 2. Again, we go hold. 2, 3. Let's turn. We go 2, 3. Okay, side taps. We go side step. Side step. And back. We go side tap. Side tap. And back. That's it. Side tap. Side tap. And side. Whoa, this is so fast, guys. Okay, hold it here. We go up and out. That's it. Keep it going. Working those arms. Woo! This is a long song. That's it. We're over halfway, don't worry. Let's turn, we go, turn, 2, and march. Let's go, let's turn, 2, and march. 2 more times, let's turn, and march. Let's go, and turn. Okay, take down your palm. Let's breathe. We're going back to those twists. Here we go, and twist. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 4, 3. Knee raises, here we go. 8, 7, and 6, 5, 4, 3. Let's change, we go. 8, and 7, 6, 5, and 4. Get ready to hip on your waist. Here we go, and march. Whew. I think we should hold it here for a second. Let's breathe. Catch our breath, hands in the air. Keep that tummy tucked in. And slow down. Let's turn. Here we go. And turn. Let's march. And turn. 2. Let's march. Again. Turn. And march. One more time. Walking forwards. Here we go. That's it. And back. And walking. And back. Let's walk. And back. And walking. Toe taps to the side or side step. Here we go. Step. So we've come to the end of the session for today. I hope you've all had an amazing time and I cannot wait to see you next time. So I'll see you there. Bye. Oh, and don't forget, subscribe to my channel.